How can I use Font Awesome in Photoshop and Fireworks? So I downloaded Font Awesome and installed the font. Now I'd like to use this font in my designs in Photoshop and Fireworks. How would I do that?
I found a solution that works for me. Just download and install the font from Font Awesome website. Then, use the Font Awesome cheat sheet to copy and paste the icons in Photoshop and Fireworks, or Illustrator, or whatever you'd like to use. Works perfectly.
This worked for me. Download Font Awesome from this URL. Copy font files from Font Awesome font to your computer font directory. For Mac, Applications, Font Book. Select and copy desired icon from this URL and paste in Photoshop with Font Awesome font family selected.
All these answers are right, but they're all missing one detail. Here's what to do. If you have an old version of Font Awesome, uninstall it from your computer. Download and install Font Awesome, this URL, big yellow download button at the top. Go to the Font Awesome cheat sheet, this URL. Double-click and copy the actual icon you want to use, none of the text or Unicode. In Photoshop, select the text tool, click in your document to create a text layer, and then paste your icon. I spent forever using the Move tool, the default cursor, and trying to paste while in that tool. It doesn't work. You have to create a text layer and paste in there.
Font Awesome to PNG lets you extract perfectly sized PNGs from Font Awesome. It's awesome. If you're installing on Mac, follow this URL.